psycho? Shall we go psycho? Right guys, we bit a different video this week. It's 10:30 at night, but Budapest is beautiful at night time. It's all lit up, so we're going to go out and try recording a video for you at night time. Basically, I just want to see how the GoPro works as well, and yeah, so let's go and test it. Hello. So that is the Hungarian Parliament, and I'm sure someone said to me the other day that is the 4th biggest parliament in the world, and it's pretty impressive, like. I don't know if we've got any on the GoPro, but there's a lot of rats running about. So Nala is hooked on the ground. There's rats. Hey, what do you think? So that's where we came from, over there. Cycled along there, over a bridge, and up to Buddha Castle. Can't believe how quiet it is. I mean, why do people not come sightseeing at night? Last time I was here during the day, it was so busy. I can't be bored with crowds. Look at it, nobody here, just me and Nella. Good girl. Good girl. He's staring at me. Right guys, hope you enjoyed this video this week. Wee bit different, filming at night time, so hopefully the GoPro picks everything up okay. I'm going to head back to the hotel now. Got an early start in the morning cycling, so good night and I'll see you in the next video. Rabbit kicks. I've got you.